Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you some tips of how we work on marketplace like Fiverr or Upwork or freelance or something like that. How we get order and how we deliver the files. Okay. So this one is this was a very tough job for me. I got an order from client and this is the only details he left for me. Like I would love the back of the shirt to say Silverback Racing Dragway Real Riders Welcome. Just these two lines. The shirt are for diecast racing. So this is the only requirement he left for me and I have to make design based on this. So most of the times client do provide a real detailed information, but sometime we get some client or we get some order just like this, not enough information what is this business is about or what he want to, how he want the chart to be look like, or any example, nothing, just some 2 or 3 lines of text. So for this kind of work we need to do some research and that is what I will show you today. Okay, so for this design we need to do some research. Like the first line, if I take Silverback Racing Dragway, so I need to understand what is this. I can do a Google search like what is Silverback. So let's do that. If I search Silverback here, I am finding some gorillas. Maybe this is a species of gorilla, like kind of a gorilla that has silverback. I can see that right here. Okay, so this is a gorilla. So silverback is a gorilla, and now racing dragway. So that means it is a racing related. It should be a racing related T-shirt. Here I can see another details. The shirt are for diecast racing. Let's do that. Diecast racing. What is that? If I do diecast racing, I can find some images here. Okay, so this is what is called diecast racing. So I can see, to be simple, this is a car racing, like right here is Ferrari, I can see. Okay, so this is actually car racing. So my design should be like this is silverback, a species of gorilla, and this is car racing. So I have to combine these two with my design, Silverback Racing Dragway and diecast racing. So after a little bit of research, I made two concepts for him. I am going to show that. If I show you this, oh sorry, this was the logo client sent me. You can see here, this is his logo he sent me. So I can use this in my design, or I can make a unique one from my idea. I didn't use this one. So this was my revision process. This was the first design I made for him. I used a gorilla here as the main focus point is silverback. So I use a gorilla vector here, and these are the racing elements like wheels on fire, racing flags. If you search Google for racing elements, car racing elements, you will find these options. Like if I take this, we can see this is a racing flag. This represent racing or the final point of racing. So we can use this in our design, and I use that as I found that. And now, and another option is car, as it is a car racing t-shirt design. So I used a car, and then something like wheels on fire. That was my idea, like to represent a fast moving car. Okay, so this was my first draft for him. I showed him this and he liked and said that he want to see another concept. So I have to make another concept, and that time I made this one. This one is here with a car actually instead of a gorilla. So this is how we work, or how I work. I don't know how anyone else will work or anyone else works. This is how I work when I cannot find enough information from the client. What I can do is cancel that order, or I can wait for him to come online. But instead of that, I can do some Google research and get some idea, make a design, and if I show that to him, then he will leave a feedback on that design, that how he wants this, or how, what the changes he wants. Like at the first time I didn't added this one, estimated 2020, I didn't added this one, and he asked me to add this line later. So on the both design I added this line. This is the only change he asked for me. And the colors, how can I combine the colors? Okay, so if I look at his logo, here I can find some color ideas like the orange and the gray, and this is a very darker gray or black, but this was, and later he said that this is going to be a design for a black shirt, so I had to avoid the black. Now I cannot represent a gorilla without black, so I made a, you can see here I made a offset path of that gorilla and then put that behind his this face, so this is now visible on black too. So this was the two final design for him. Like if I show you, this is the two final design I made for him, and he likes, of course. This is what I was doing now, so I couldn't make a video tonight, but yeah, you can see he left a 5-star review. That's very good. So this I just wanted to share my working process, or how I get idea, or how I generate ideas for a client or any client's description. Like from this, most of us cannot find any idea, or they will wait for client to come online, and sometimes this happens that client place a order today and he will get back to you after 2 or 3 days, and if your delivering time is in 1 day, then you will be in a great problem. So what you can do is do some research, make a draft, and if your delivery time is going to expire, you can deliver that idea to him and ask for revision. That's how you will get a more time to work on that project. Okay, so I don't think I should show you how I made this. This is a very simple designs, nothing fancy, nothing I did here that you will not understand. Just I wanted to share my working process. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you everyone for supporting me. See you in the next video.